Divorce support and healing. Low self-esteem. Divorce, help and resources. Discover how divorce support, counseling, and healing techniques can help rebuild self-esteem and create new beginnings after divorce. Finding strength. After divorce, healing from low self-esteem. You know, when people go through a divorce, it often feels like the end of the world. And honestly, it kind of is, at least in the moment. Beyond the legal papers and financial adjustments, the emotional fallout can really shake your sense of self. Low self-esteem can sneak in quietly, leaving you feeling broken, unwanted, and uncertain about who you really are anymore. But here's the thing I want you to remember. Healing is absolutely possible, and there's a path forward that includes not just recovery, but rediscovery and growth. When you're dealing with the big emotions that come with ending a marriage, divorce counseling can be a vital lifeline. It's not just about managing the logistics or co-parenting agreements. It's really about finding support to navigate your feelings, rebuild your confidence, and start seeing your worth again. Counseling offers a safe place to unpack all that tangled emotion without judgment. Aside from professional help, a huge part of healing comes from finding community. Divorce support groups are incredible because they surround you with people who truly get it, not just acquaintances offering well-meaning advice, but others who've been through the exact same experience. Sharing stories, tears, and laughter with others on a similar journey can spark hope when your own light feels dim. Now, low self-esteem after divorce often isn't just about what happened in the relationship. It can also be about the pain of feeling like you've failed or lost something essential. But here's the truth. Ending one chapter doesn't mean your story is over. It's an opportunity for new beginnings, even if it doesn't feel that way at first. If you're looking for some practical steps to start pushing through these feelings, here's what can help. Practice self-compassion. It might sound cliché, but cutting yourself some slack is critical. It's okay to be upset, angry, or confused. Accepting your feelings without harsh judgment helps soften the blow to your self-esteem. Engage in self-care habits. Small things, like going for a walk, journaling, or having a quiet cup of coffee, can reinforce that you deserve kindness and attention, especially from yourself. Identify and challenge negative self-talk. That little voice in your head that says, "I'm not good enough," or "I failed," isn't telling the truth. Catch those thoughts and question their validity. Use divorce resources wisely. Books, podcasts, and online communities can offer perspective and tools for healing. They help remind you you're not alone and that progress is achievable. Reach out for professional divorce assistance if needed. Sometimes you need more than just friends or self-help. Therapists trained in divorce recovery offer strategies customized for you. Speaking of resources, I want to recommend a powerful book titled Brokenness and New Beginnings. It's written for anyone facing the raw aftermath of divorce and the low self-esteem that often follows. The author shares a lot of hope and practical healing strategies that can help you move from feeling shattered to finding your strength again. If you're feeling stuck and wondering if it's even possible to find joy after heartbreak, this book might be just the thing to light a new path. Order your copy today to find hope and healing. You deserve to discover the new beginnings that await beyond the pain. Remember, healing from divorce isn't linear. Some days you'll feel stronger, some days more vulnerable. But with the right support, whether it's counseling, support groups, or trusted resources, you can rebuild your confidence and create a meaningful life post-divorce. So if you're listening and struggling right now, know this: you are not defined by your divorce. Your worth isn't measured by this chapter alone, and help is out there, waiting for you to take that first step toward a brighter tomorrow.